In today's video, I'll be showing you how to revert to the default icon theme on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So first access the Galaxy theme store, and we have two ways in which you can do this. The first is by long pressing on an empty space in the home screen to enter editing mode, and from here select themes. The second is by opening the settings app and then scroll and select themes. From here you should see the option menu, tap on it, and then select my stuff. Under my stuff, look for icons and select it. And then you should see the option default. So what you want to do is tap on it, then select apply and wait for it to be applied. Once it's been applied, you'll be redirected back to the home screen and the icons should have switched to the way they looked like when you first purchased the phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.